Hello, curious minds and eager learners. Welcome to the Quick Tech Guidelines. I hope you're doing fine today. And today we are going to learn that how you should check the Google Chrome's updated version every time you start browsing, because it's really important to use the updated Google Chrome. Let me tell you why it is important. First one is security issues, second one is performance related issues, third one is compatibility, and fourth one is features, and last one is sport. So technically it's very important to use the Google Chrome, and it's essential for maintaining a secure, fast, reliable browsing experience while also ensuring compatibility with the latest web technologies and accessing the newest features and improvements. As far as performance is concerned, sometimes performance issues are fixed. As far as compatibility is concerned, sometimes the web technologies evolve and new features and standards are introduced, so they work correctly on updated version. The most important one is the security. Updated versions often include patches for security vulnerabilities that have been discovered since the previous versions. Cybersecurity threats are constantly evolving, and developers regularly release the updated features to avoid the malware attacks, phishing, and the data breaches. So technically it's very important to check that if you are using a Google Chrome's updated version or not. So let's just not waste more time and get to the computer screen so that I'll be able to show you. Alright, I have a Google Chrome over here. Let me open it. Okay, once the Google Chrome is opened, you need to click on three dots on right top corner and click the settings. This is the one method. There's another method as well. And in the settings tabs, go to the about Google Chrome, and this will start checking for the updated Google Chrome's version. Alright, and as you can see on the screen, it's updating the Google Chrome right now, and let's wait so that it gets updated. There's another method to update the Google Chrome as well. Click the three dots, then click help and about Chrome, and this will also lead you to this tab where it will check either your Google Chrome is updated or not. You need to ensure that you should do this whenever you start browsing, because it's very important for you to have a secure browsing interface. Alright, let's wait for this. It's taking much time this time because it normally takes less time. Alright, it's done. This will ask you to relaunch the browser, so you need to relaunch the Google Chrome by clicking the relaunch option. Alright, so I'll click the relaunch option over here, and this will open the new Google Chrome all the way. Let's see if the new Google Chrome is updated or not. Alright, I have checked it. It will say that Google Chrome is up to date. If your Google Chrome will be up to date, then it will say that it's up to date, otherwise it will start updating your version. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments, was this helpful? And tell me from which part of the world you're watching this. Have a great day. Bye bye.